Hey, so I'm here in my bathroom. As you know, my eczema's just been out of the fucking world. So I went and got a really cool shower head with a filter. And I'm gonna take the ghetto one that I have here. And it's weird because the landlord has this like weird tube to give the shower height, and I'm a little nervous that I won't have the proper height that I need to take a shower with this new head, but I'm gonna try. So it comes fully equipped. It comes with the filter here. It comes with the line. It comes with the head, and then it comes with the holder thing. And it comes with another piece, and I don't know where I put it. The like plastic piece that I'm not sure exactly where I put that right now. So let me find it. And it comes with the tape. I don't know what this tape is called, plumbing tape or something like that. So it gives you a diagram here, and I just looked at the picture, figured it out. So I'm gonna show you what mines look like, and let's see if hopefully it works. So there's a wall here, but that's like the snake piece that is there. So I'm gonna like change it. I don't have much light in my bathroom so that you guys can see it. I think I'm just gonna unplug the light so that y'all can see me change this thing. All right, so this is the ghetto one. It's really good because you could like fix the height. I really don't mind this, but I have problems, and I can't be having, if this is a possible thing, like I need to figure it out. So pretty much you take this tape and you kind of just wrap it around here. To be quite honest, this is about to look crazy. I'm not probably wrapping it flat, but guess what? It's gonna get up there. So you put this around. It's like so thin. It's a really like piece of thin plastic. So thin. And then in the picture, it was the filter piece. I see here in the bag, it has that piece. So now I have to like look at the directions to figure out, oh, so there's two pieces, and these look like washers. So my brain says they go inside of here most likely, but I don't know if both of them go in. I assume because it's too big to go on this side unless it goes into the other one. But let's go to the handy dandy. Before I saw flush shower to avoid blockage. I don't know what to put there. So it says the water may come out gray. So put only one washer here. So just one washer. Look at me knowing stuff. Shout out to my moms. So this piece goes here. But guess what? I don't see it screwing on. Oh, hell no. Why you don't want to screw on? Don't nobody got time for this. Perfect. So that is on. I don't know if I turn the water on now before installing flush shower filter to avoid blockage. I think that's what it's talking about. And then it says to put some more tape here and then the mesh pieces. So let me put, see, I'm nervous. This is going to be like way too low for me because this bathroom is already small. Like my head already hits this. So just about, so I'm a little nervous. All right, so that goes there. I don't know what to do with the second washer. It doesn't say anything about the next washer, so I guess it's just in case you lose one. So the next thing is to take this piece here. The washer is already there, so I'm just gonna I don't know why they wouldn't like have it come from like, I don't know. So that is done, and then let's see. My next step is to put the tube. Boom. It's really awesome. I paid $30 for it, I think. Somewhere around 30. Seems pretty easy to set up. I'm just worried about my shower being height difference. So, the bolt. My youth, me put this on backwards. It's supposed to end up like that, but like how, if that's like how tight it's supposed to be. So that's not. But that's not like tight. Do I like spin it again? Okay, I guess. Boom. And then now the bolt part. Does this come off? It has to come off. Oh, Jesus. I think this, because like ain't no way it's gonna go in there, so I think it comes out. How? Oh, look at that. So I guess if it doesn't have all these like little nuances, it might be used. I will put the link below and I'll give an update. So it says you change the filter for one person every 6 months. I live on the 3rd floor. I also live in Connecticut, and you know our water is not the best. Oh, look at that here. So, and then this is the head, brand new. I am gonna keep the old one because when I leave, this is coming with me. And then that's the shower. So I'm hoping that I still get the height because this, oh, so it still gives the same height effect. It's just a little bit longer. So it does because this was here. Oh, look at God. Look at God coming true. Hallelujah. Glory be to God. Shout out. Glory. So let's see, baby. Wow. And it has 6 settings. So 1, 2, well, this is 3. It's leaking a little bit, but it's not leaking from here, so that means I did something right. What is this one? That's nothing. So maybe I don't have the water on enough, but oh, suck it now. I'm about to be a lovely shower today. I hope y'all got to see all of that. And my hands wasn't in the way, or my big ass head. Now that I'm thinking about it, my head might have been in the bed. Let me go rewatch.